Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make vanilla sponge cake. This recipe is very easy and you can also frost this cake with any icing you want. So let's get started with the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Sift them together and set that aside. In another large mixing bowl, add 2 room temperature eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk well until the vanilla is fully incorporated with the eggs. Now add half a cup of granulated sugar and whisk until the sugar is well blended with the eggs. Next, add 1/4 cup of oil and mix just until it is well blended with the mixture. Do not over whisk this batter or the cake will not rise properly. Now gradually add the dry ingredients and beat well. At first, the batter will seem a little lumpy, but just keep whisking it will become smooth. Now add the rest of the dry ingredients and mix well. The batter will be pretty thick, so gradually add half a cup of milk and mix well. Now add a little more milk according to the consistency of the batter. If the batter is still thick, add the rest of the milk. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Using a spatula, gently fold the batter to remove any air bubbles inside the batter. Here, I have taken a 9-inch cake tin and greased it with oil. I recommend using a smaller cake tin so that the cake does not form a very thin layer after you bake it. Now line it with butter paper or parchment paper. If you don't have butter paper, you can dust some flour so that the cake can release easily. Brush some oil on top of the butter paper. Now pour the batter into the cake tin. Gently tap to remove any air bubbles inside the batter. bake for 18 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The cake is out of the oven and a toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. Gently run a thin spatula or knife around the cake. Now release the cake into a wire rack. You might have to tap it first. Gently remove the parchment paper.